Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. We're entering a brand new section now called What You Need to Know About WordPress. And the following few lectures are going to be just about WordPress and what you need to know about it. This specific lecture is called What is WordPress and Why You Should Care So Much About It. All right, WordPress. What's the big deal with WordPress? Well, it is a free web software that you can use to create websites or blogs, essentially. The core software is built and maintained by hundreds of community volunteer web developers. And it is probably the most popular content management system software ever. And because of that, it's widely documented. So if you're ever building a WordPress website and you run into a roadblock or an issue, or you have a question and you can't figure something out, just Google it. Chances are it's already been answered hundreds of times. That's what's really great about developing WordPress websites. If you ever run into an issue, somebody's out there to help you because everybody uses WordPress. WordPress.org even claims that over 60 million people have used WordPress to power their websites. A few popular ones include The New Yorker, Beyonce.com, Smart Passive Income Blog with Pat Flynn, one of my favorites, John Mayer. Even I use WordPress to power my blog. Also, I exclusively use WordPress when building custom CMS-driven websites for my clients. So then to answer my question that I ask, why should you care so much about WordPress? Well, basically, there are a few reasons. One, you're going to need to learn how to use it to take this course. But two, it's easy. It's actually easy to learn. But the problem is there's a lot of steps and there are a lot of details and there are some prerequisites in terms of your knowledge and skill. You need to know some HTML, CSS, and PHP. Thankfully, you can learn those things as well. I'm assuming you already know those things, at least have a rudimentary knowledge of them. If you have any problems with any of those languages, I do have courses on all of those. PHP is one that will greatly help you, and I do have a free course on that. But like I said, it's easy. You just need somebody to show you how to do it. And once you know how to code a WordPress website, your eyes will be open and you can take it and run, because then from there you could do so much. You could create your own WordPress websites, whether that's for personal use or for commercial use. Like say you have a graphic design business and you've always outsourced your websites to a web developer because you don't know how to code or you don't know how to make a WordPress website. Well, once you know how to do that, once you know how to code your own WordPress website, you could do that yourself and therefore make yourself the thousands of dollars that you would have had to pay a developer. And that goes right back in your pocket. So there's so many reasons why learning to code WordPress websites is amazing. It literally changed my career. As soon as I learned how to use and develop WordPress websites, I was able to take on more clients. I took on bigger budget projects. My current clients took me more seriously because I was able to deliver something way more robust and way more amazing, rather than just static HTML and CSS pages. And they were so happy because they were able to update the websites themselves. And that has also helped me because I don't have to keep going back and making little updates for measly amounts of money. So those are just a few reasons why you should really care about WordPress. So why don't we jump into the next lecture? I want to show you a couple ways that you can actually make some money by knowing how to code WordPress websites. See you there.